Okay, we're starting live. So hi, and welcome to Simple Forex Trader. How's everyone going? So we're live. All right, just want to check, see if everything is working fine. Just doing some live trading today. Let's see if we can put some music on in the background. How about that, huh? So there should be some music coming up. Um, some music. Let's find some music, shall we? Uh, Music, okay, channel. This is it, this is the one. Looks like it is good music. I'll see if you can get a top, the most popular music to listen to. See if I can get that on there. Okay, here we go. See if I can download this. So I'll try this one. See if it's any good. Oh, this one. Any good? Hopefully it's good. See if this one is any good. Let's play it. Sounds pretty good. Just I'm trying to play that now. Let it just play in the background. See if this one plays. Yep. Okay. Alright, we have it. Just let this play. Should play in the loop, so play back. Okay, that will do, so that's good. It's fine. It's running well. Just let that run. Is it a bit loud? If it's a bit loud, let me see. It's not me. Channel. Okay. Hello, 1 2 1 2, testing 1 2. Hello, 1 2 1 2, testing 1 2. Alright, you can hear me, that's good. That's fine. Just turn it down a bit. Maybe it's a bit too loud. That's better. Okay, so welcome to Simple Forex Trader, guys. So glad to be live streaming. I'm just going to share with you a simple system, and we can do some live trading. Hopefully there's one right now. Let's have a look. Well, before we do that, I just want to share with you the system. The way it works is using the WaveCalclutor. So by plotting a simple 1 2 3 formation, and also by using the cross here. So let's trade this pair here, this one here. This is the Japanese, the Great Britain pound against the US dollars, this one. Okay, so to put in a trade, we need to plot using the system called the WaveCalclutor, and it's this box here. Let me just see if highlight it. So the one I highlight here, see it on the top right. Alright, it's that blue box, that's the one. Yellow box inside, that's the one. So we click on that, and all we need to do is just, alright, so we plot a 1 2 3. So you see how we got a 1 here, and after a 1 we plot a 2. So a 2 will be here, and if you press it again, we plot a 3, and look what happened after I pressed it. Bingo. How good is that? So it's very exciting. It gives me a simple trading system using this WaveCalclutor, and it plots for you. You can see there it plots for you. How you going? Yes, welcome. So it plots for you the point to exit. So you actually enter the trade here. Let me just put a box in here. So you enter the trade here, anywhere between these 4 lines. So the top one here, you can enter here. The top one is 79%, and it gives you the price. And then the second line here, you can enter a retracement at 62%, and gives you the price for this pair. The third entry and the fourth entry, and this is where you place your entry. So entry here, let me write that. Okay, place your entry there. Alright, move it here. Now this is on a 1 hour chart, so we're trading this on a 1 hour chart, and we looking at the high, the new high of the day. So this is the new high up here. Now where do you put your stop loss? Your stop loss will be up here, just above the 1. So it will be here. This is where your stop loss will be. So I'll make that red. There you go. You see that? It's a bright red. So we place the stop loss here. Line is here. So I'll type in stop loss right here. Okay, right there, that's where the stop loss will be, this line here. So if it retraces after you, let's say after you place a trade in any one of this 4 retracement line or Fibo, you place it. If it goes against you further and it back towards the first entry, the first point that we actually calculated, that will put you on, it will stop you out. Okay, but as soon as, let's say you enter the trade, let's say enter the trade at 50% level here, and it has moved down. This is a sell, of course, right? Entry here, and down here is your profit target. So can you see all that? Okay, let me change that color. It's too bright, isn't it? That's a lot better. And let me just move this across here just a bit. So you have your target here. This is your first take profit target, this one here. So let's say you enter here, sell, you hit your first target here, which is about 50 pips. You see 50 pips, and then the second target, if you want to move to the second target, 60 pips, your second target profit. The third target here is 69 pips profit. So you can actually exit any of this target here, 1, 2, 3, and call it quits. So that's how you use this system to trade. Or if you want to keep going further, you can exit at the fourth target, which is here. Let's see the light blue line here, the fourth target, and that is about 87 pips in profit. So continue down to the fifth, 96 pips, and then down to the sixth, which is about 118 pips, and then down to the sixth, about 140 pips. So you could have made 140 pips down here. You can see. So that's what I'm saying. I'm saying that you can make this sort of profit just by putting through this calculator. That's the wave calculator, and it calculates your exit target for you, like 6 exit target, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can exit anywhere on this target here. Depends on your risk level as well. So if you're risking, you don't want to risk too much, you want to just exit at your first target. That's at least 50 pips right here, guys. So this is the target 1. Target 2. You can see it hits the target 2 there. target 3 here. And if you want to keep going, target 4. Your take profit target 5 is here. Or if you retrace back up a bit to target 4, if you want to keep going, your target 5 for target 5 is here. And then you keep going, it retraces a little bit to the original candle there at target 5, and then it just drops. So you can actually keep going at target 6 if you want, and close your profit there. So overall, you've got 6 targets where you can actually exit. So you got, if you want, you can exit here, your first target, or continue, keep going on the second target here. Keep going and continue to the third target here, and the fourth here, the fifth. So you got the fifth, you got the sixth target here. Right, so 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 target here, and then you've got, if you want to keep going, the final target. If you feel that you want to have achieve a bigger profit target, you go for the 6th target here, right there. So let me just recap here. Your first target is here, so it hits it. Okay, it hits there. The second target hits, third target hits, fourth, about fifth, 6 is here, 7 is here, and it actually went past the 7th target as well, went a bit further down before it retraced back up to the top here. It is kind of the Fibonacci expansion tool. It is kind of, but it's sort of a special program, specially programmed for this system here. This indicator here is a special program, specially programmed, which is a bit similar to the expansion tool, the Fibo expansion tool on the MT4 platform, which is just a generic, or if you like, it's just like a standard Fibo on MT4. If you are using, what I'm using is the WaveCalclutor, which is a coded program indicator, which does it for you automatically. All you need to do is just press 1, 2, 3, right? Of course, your 1, 2, 3, your simple 1, 2, 3 point, and then you plot that 1, 2, 3. It automatically gives you the take profit target. Get it? So I'll just do another example for you, just at extra level. Yeah, so let me just get rid of this. Sorry, I'm gonna get rid of this for you. Delete this. This is a bit more advanced than the compared to the Fibo, the one originally on the system, on the MT4 platform. It's a bit more advanced where it does it for you automatically. Let me delete all this, and I'll redo again. Okay, so let's clear it. Clear, bingo. Okay, so let's go to another pair. Let's go to this pair. So let's go to this pair here. Let's go to the USD JPY pair. So to calculate your take profit level, all we need to do is we click on the take this calculator here, which is the yellow box on the top left, or sorry, top right here. Okay, so we click on this box and we picked a new high. So this is a new high here. Let's say we pick this one. So we plot a 1 at a new high, which is here. Yeah, that's a 1 on a new high. Yep. And then we plot a 2. And take a look at what happened after this. So we plot a 2, which is here. And then we plot a third point, a 3. So we'll pick this one. There you go. So it automatically does it for you. You see what I mean? So you don't have to use the one that's on the MT4, the generic one. All you need to do is just plot the new high of the day here, or of the during that time. So you plot a new high, right? New high. And then you plot 1, 2, 3, and it's automatically does the calculation for you. This is the other entry here. So you got 1, 2, 3. This is your second one. And this is your third one. So when you get a new high, it actually dropped down to the lowest here, and then it sort of retraced a bit. That's when you plot the 1, 2, 3. So if you draw if you plot it like a line here, like a 1 to 2, and then a 2 to 3, therefore you have your 1, 2, 3, and therefore it will give you the take profit targets automatically for you. It does that automatically. So right now we can re-enter this trade here, which will actually give us our first take profit target, which is here. And you can then pick this level here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 targets level that you want to target. How easy is that? It does that for you automatically. And your first target here is 106.99. Let's say you enter, so you plot a 3 here, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, you got about 5. You got about 5 hours, right, to the side, because this is on a 1 hour candle, right? 5 hours here to decide when is the best entry, when is the best time to enter, like the best entry level. Because you got 4 here, you got the 79% retracement, you've got the 62% retracement here, second level, and then the third level you got the 50% retracement, and then the fourth level, which is the lowest one, is the 38% retracement. So you can enter this trade here, anywhere from here above. Okay, about there. Of course, if you enter at the top here, you maximize your profit target, of course, and your stop loss level will be up here. Stop loss will be up here. Will be above. Okay, how's that? Stop loss here and entry here. That's where you enter. So your entry is within this red box, or you see the red box. It's got, you can choose your level of entry. You got 4 level of entry here. You can select the best one. Basically, if you want to wait for it to retrace a bit, so this one did retrace up to the 50% level before it then, you know, drop down towards our take profit target. So once you enter this trade, it gives you this take profit target right here. So your first take profit target is here, which is, so say enter on your 38% level here, enter your sell. The first one, this one hit here on the 3rd hour, which is about 28 pips. This is your first take profit level. And then the second take profit level is 33 pips. So you see what I mean? You can actually keep going, right, and select the best take profit target level that you want to take. And then you got the 3rd level here of profit, which is about 39 pips of profit. If you want to wait a bit more, you can actually wait for it to go down a bit further at 50 pips profit here on the 4th target here, which is the 4th target on the blue line here. It actually went down further to the 5th target, which is about 56 pips, which is around here. It tells you here the 5th target is 106.72. So there you have it. Let me just change this to a nice change it nice and bright. Okay, let's see. That should work. Yes, that's better. I think you can see it better now. Yeah. So entry exit 1, exit 2 here, exit 3, exit 4, exit 5, and exit 6, which is down here about 66 pips. So you're making 60 pips if it goes down. So it didn't quite make it. It went down to the 5th. What I normally do is I exit around the first 3 target here, which is the safest here. Just, you know, taking a quick 40 pips, 50 pip profit, and I'm out. Using this wave calculator to calculate that for me. So let's try. Everyone get that? Anyone get that explanation? So let's try another pair, shall we? Let's do another pair. Okay, let's do another pair. Just gonna get rid of this. Takes a while. Delete the box. Okay, clear that up. Okay, let's do another pair. Anyone have any choice of pair that you want me to pick? Any choice of pair? Any favorite pairs you want me to pick? Let me pick. I'll pick one. Let's pick Aussie US CAD. Oh, look at this. US CAD on a 1 hour chart. So the US CAD looks interesting. we can start here. We can start at the highest point. Yeah, the highest point, the highest of the day is here. There it is. That's your high of the day. Can you see that blue box that I just circle or highlight? And then I will also highlight the second entry point, which is here, and then the third entry point will be here. I would like to do it here. And that's where you enter trade. So what you need to do now is plot your profit target using this wave calculator here that I've highlighted for you on the top right in the yellow box right there. That yellow box just in the middle of that blue box that I've just highlighted. Let's plot it. Okay, so we're going to plot a 1, 2, 3. Yeah, here we go. So press a 1 here. So 1 is up top, the new high. So the new high there. 2 is at the low point here. And then a 3 is at the retracement level here. It retraces about halfway, almost halfway. And 3. There you have it. You got 1 new high of the day, or new high at the time, and then a 2 point, 1 to a 2, and then a 2 to a 3. A retracement is done up to here, 3 retracement there. And then you can see the 2 moving average crosses here, and that's a really good indication of where it's going to turn, right? When it crosses about there, so I'll put a line right where it crosses. So it crosses about the second hour. So when it crosses the second hour, you can then place an entry here. There, so your entry is about there, just when it crosses here. I think, yeah, there it is. Let me just get it right. That's where your entry is. Make that red. Red's too bright, just change it to maroon. So when you have the entry here, so you can enter this trade in the red box, anywhere in that red box, yeah. Anywhere in the red box is where you enter the trade. Anywhere in the red box. You can wait for a retracement, or you can wait for it to crosses the moving average, the 2 moving average, and then enter your trade, enter your sell. And where do you put your stop loss? Your stop loss will be up here, just above the 1, just about the previous high, or the new high if you like. Just about the new high. That's where your stop loss is. So let's make that blue because it's an up, so we'll change that to blue. Bingo. See, that's where your stop loss is. Move this down so you can see that properly. Just the loss here. See how safe it is that you have a stop loss in place just above the previous high. So once you move your stop loss there, you then enter the trade. So you end the trade here in this red box. So you already know where it's gonna go. So it's gonna go down here. Right, it's gonna move down here and hit our take profit down here. Let me change the color to red, something a bit darker, maybe maroon. There you go. So we exit our trade here. You got one exit target, 2, 3, 4 here, 5, 6. So you got 6 exit target that you can exit anywhere, and it didn't quite hit the 6 here. It just missed it by about a couple pips, but it did hit the 5th here. It went past the 5th, just above the 6th exit. So if let's say you enter here, enter sell, and you put in the calculator, it plots the profit target for you. First one here is 52 pips, first target. Second target is 62, third is 74, the fourth is about 95, the sixth is 105, and 122 is the last one, the sixth take profit target. Didn't quite make it there, but it did went past the 5th of over 100 pips. So very easy scalping system that you can use just by using this wave calculator to plot your targets, take profit targets. So that's how easy it is, guys. Simple as that. Let's keep looking. Let's try and let's just delete this now. Let's clear all this and let's have a look at another pair. I can't believe it. Try and delete. Sorry guys. Anyone have any suggestion of any pair that they like me to calculate for you? Any pair? Any suggestion? I'm more than happy to do a calculation on a pair that you have in mind. Okay, if you have one, that's fine, just type it in. If not, I'll just choose another pair. Let's do Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin or gold. You want to do gold or Bitcoin? Okay, let's do gold. Let's do gold. Bingo. Alright, gold on a 1 hour chart. Wow, gold is not moving much. It looks like it's actually consolidating right now around this area. It's just consolidating since the 8th to the 16th for a week or so. It's sitting at the new high, all-time high at the moment, so just consolidating around that area. So probably not good to trade this one, or it's good if we trade on we scalp on a shorter time frame. So we scalp on a short time frame. All we need to do is go to let's say you pick a new high. Okay, so you look at the trend. Basically it's an uptrend, right? It's an uptrend, so you're gonna buy. Okay, you're gonna buy. Look for a buy. So it's an uptrend. Gold is very bullish right now. It's an uptrend. So we look for a retracement, and then we plot our 1, 2, 3 using the wave calculator. So, and then because it's right now it's consolidating, we can just move to a shorter time frame and just scalp it. Get it? So let's pick this one here. This is the new low here. I'm gonna highlight there in the red box, and because it's only consolidating in that area, we're gonna move down to the 15-minute time frame. So move on to 15-minute time frame, and we find the red box. Red box is here on gold. Here we are. So you can see the red box here. Let's just move out a bit. And we plot 1, 2, 3. We know there is a new low here. So new low. So we look for a new low. We found a new low. Now all we need to do is look for our retracement. So our retracement is here. So, and also look for a cross of the moving averages. So there's a cross here that we can see right there. So cross between the two moving averages. And remember, we know that on a 1 hour time frame that gold is bullish. So to scalp this market, we just look for a new low and we buy. Okay, and then we buy. So we're using the wave calculator again here. Plot a 1, 2, 3, and press the box that I mentioned. Press it, and there's a 1. Oops. Let's try again. Just move. What happened? New low. Yep. Let's plot a 1. There's a 1 there, and the 2 is here up here. 2 is up here. I'll make it a bit bigger. Okay, that's where you put the 2. And the 3 is down here. That's where you plot your 3. Bingo. 1, 2, 3. So we can enter, as soon as it crosses, we can enter here, anywhere here. Our entry is anywhere here. This is on a 15-minute chart. Entry here. Oops, I spelled entry incorrectly. Let me fix that. Entry here. Where do we place our stop loss? Stop loss is down here. Now the stop loss always below the 1, which is the previous low. Remember? Previous low. There we go. Stop loss here. Because we already got the target here, the first 3 target already hit. So as soon as we enter the trade, we enter here in red box, anywhere here just before the 2. Okay, so place your entry between below the 2 point, which is this one here, somewhere in below, and so you can enter at any of these 4 level with the I don't know if you can see, let me just move this over, you can see the numbers on it there, that's better. So you enter any of this 4 level here, and your exit target is up here, it's up here. This is on a 15-minute chart, so you enter, you exit there. Of course, our first target. Let's have a look at how much we make for our first target. Let's say we enter at the 50% level here at this candle. Our first target is 122 pips. Very nice. Second target is 140 pips. Very nice. Third target is 163 pips. There you go. So I always exit around the first 3 targets. If you want to wait for the 4th target, which is here, that's about 200 pips. It's probably made it. It's probably hit the 4th target already. We can actually, let me just zoom out a bit, see if it does hit. Okay, no, it didn't quite make it. Didn't quite make it on the 4th target, but it did almost hit it. It's only like for how many pips? About 8 pips off that 4th target. It would have hit it as well. So there you have it. Simple system to use. So let me just move that here. Sorry, there you go. There. Alright, hope that explains everything to you guys. And delete that. That's trading on 15-minute chart on gold. Yes, do that and clear that off. Okay, and does someone want to trade? Want me to do a trade on Bitcoin? Let's have a look at Bitcoin, shall we? Bitcoin, there we go, Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin right there. Bitcoin is, overall trend is down, you can see here. It's down overall, down. So if we draw this line here, we can definitely see that it's trending down, right? So if we're going to trade this, we look at the highest point. So where's the new high? Up here? New high is up here. This one here. New high. Retracement here. Retracement. New low and retracement. You can see new high and then it's got a new low here. And then a retracement. So retracement is already done. We plot our take profit target, which is simple. 1 here. 2 here. 3 here. Bingo. There's our take profit target. All 6 target are hit. All 6 target right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th one hit. You notice that it didn't go further towards our stop loss from here. it retrace up to here, and then it just drop back down and hits our 6 target. That's how easy it is. So where do you enter? You enter here. You enter here between the two, between the 3. I would say, yeah, between the 3 would be good. Between the 3 and the 2, I would enter anywhere between there, and you got 4 entry level here, and then you've got your stop loss will be always above the 1 stop loss. Change that color as well. Bingo. So stop loss up here. Stop loss here. And entry here. So guys, the entry is in your, it's actually in the red box, okay? In the red box. And once you enter a cell, it will automatically gives you the target. So you got the first target here, 92.64, second 93.38.6, third 92.10.8, and you've got the fourth, the fifth. So it did comes down, retrace a bit, comes down, consolidate a bit, and then it went massively down, hits our 4th and the 5th target here, and then it retraced back up. So we enter here, first target hit, second target hit, third target hit, 4th target hit, see, in that one massive candle, and then retrace back to just below 1, and then just come back and take our 5th target down here. That's over 266 pips in Bitcoin. It didn't quite make it to the 6, but it did retrace back up to there, almost towards our entry level. But no, it goes, but never goes near our stop loss up here. See, notice that it never go up towards our stop loss. So it trying to push back up here, retrace down to our, all the way down towards our 6 target here. See how precisely it hit there? And if you hold on to it the next day, it actually went beyond the 6 target as well. There you go. So I hope you learned something today. I think that's enough for today's live trading session, and we hope to come back and share with you another exciting simple 1, 2, 3 trading system, and hope you can subscribe, share and like this video for more. We'll do some more next time. In the meantime, wish everyone have a lovely weekend. It's Friday, and we'll see you back next time.